Hey everybody, it's TK Shows here, and today I'm going to be making a cloud squishy using silicone. So I'm going to draw the outline of the cloud. So I'm just going to first draw like as straight as line as you can do, and then just kind of like curve the edges and go up. And then you just want to make small bumps and big bumps like a cloud. I'm going to outline. That's the outline of a cloud. Because it's just a rough one, you can still add more bumps on to the sides. Then I'm going to do some eyes just quickly, even though you're not going to see it. I just wanted to make it look better. There, now we've drawn our clouds. Everyone, this is the finished silicone squishy. It's the cloud. It's stretchy kind of, you see, and definitely squishy. Let me just turn it like that. It does actually look quite like a cloud because like the texture of the silicone, how the silicone was put on, and it's like became like, it looks fluffy. So do have a try at this video, and I hope you subscribe and like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.